Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is April if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this really warm glam look that I think is perfect for Thanksgiving. It is extra glam for Thanksgiving, but if you are that type of person that wears makeup to Thanksgiving, then this is the look for you. It's warm, it's festive, it's like Thanksgiving vibes, it's fall vibes, it's perfect, especially if you're meeting like a new boo's family. Yes, like just serve it to them, give it to them. So this look is perfect. Me on the other hand, I've been with Mike for almost 7 years. I've seen his family plenty of times, and for Thanksgiving, I wear no makeup. So I will be a lot more toned down, but this look is for all my people who want to go glam to Thanksgiving and is about that glam life for Thanksgiving. This look is perfect for you. But before we get started, just a couple things to keep in mind. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're aware of when I've uploaded a new video. And I just need a few more subscribers. Remember guys, I'm trying to get to 500 by December 1st, and with your help, I can do it. So I really appreciate it if you would subscribe and leave a comment below and let me know you were here. All right, so if you want to see how to create this nice festive Thanksgiving warm about to meet Bay's family look, then just keep on watching. All right guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. And I'm just gonna take that and just lightly pat this all over the lid and into the crease. And I like to just make sure that I buff out the edges so it's not like uneven and jagged. It's just a nice seamless blend from my eyeshadow primer to my concealer that's underneath my eyebrows. So for eyeshadows today, I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. And I actually really love this palette. I use it all the time. It has a lot of nice warm tones to it that I absolutely love. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is this one up in the corner. And I'm gonna take my 224 brush and just pop this color right into the crease. So the next shade I'm gonna go in with is this one right at the bottom in the middle. And using the same brush, I'm just going right over that crease color, but I'm focusing this more onto like the outer corner. And I know this color kind of probably just looks the same as the first one. This one is just a tad bit deeper. So next I'm gonna go back in with my eyeshadow primer and just put that back on the lid so that when I put my shimmery shadow on the lid, it pops a lot more. So for the lid shade, I'm gonna go in with this shimmery shade right here. Or should I do this copper one? This one's so pretty too. So I think I'm gonna go in with this coppery shade right here. So I'm gonna take it up on a flat synthetic brush, and I'm gonna spray a little Fix Plus on it. And I'm gonna press that right onto the eyelid. And I know like Huda Beauty's eyeshadow, like her shimmer shades go on better when you use your fingers. I'm not able to use my fingers, so I just have to keep piling the product on. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with this dark shade down here, and I'm gonna take a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush JH33, and I am just going to softly blend that in onto the outer corner. Now you can make this part like as smoky and as dark as you like. It's totally up to you. Remember, this is for Thanksgiving, so I don't know how smoky or dramatic you want to be at the dinner table, but that's totally up to you. Do you. Do what makes you feel comfortable. And I know for some, like, this might even be too much, but if you want to give them a little something on Thanksgiving, this is the perfect look. Okay, so from here you can just do lashes and mascara, but I'm gonna do a little bit of wing liner because I like when my eyes go like that. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. All right guys, I'm back. I just did my wing liner and threw on some mascara really quickly. I did the Too Faced Better Than Sex. If you want to see how I do my wing liner, just click the link above after this video. I did a video on how I do my wing liner and it's very informative. So now let's move on to skin. I'm gonna prime my face using my MAC Cosmetics Face Protect, and this is in the SPF 50. Well, it only comes in SPF 50. And I just rub this all over and make sure that it's really into the skin because it is white. So I do wanna make sure that it's fully massaged into the skin. And then a little bit of my MAC's Blur Stick right over top of that. And then we're gonna set that with my Too Faced translucent powder. And if it seems like I'm going through these steps really quickly, it's because I do it in mostly all my videos. So I don't wanna bore you guys too much with the stuff you've already seen, but this is what I use to prep my skin for foundation. So annoyed, I have this pimple on my nose, right here, right in the middle. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. For foundation, I'm gonna go in with two different ones. I'm gonna do the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Butter Pecan. And then I'm gonna go in with my Matchmaster 7.5 foundation from MAC. These are the two foundations I'm gonna use today. Keep in mind, you don't have to mix your foundations. I just like to mix my foundations. Have a little custom cocktail of foundation. Now we're just gonna go in and blend this on out. So because both of them were medium coverage foundations, I did put on a little bit more than usual just to give it more coverage on my face. But for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX Power Play Concealer, and this is in the shade and medium 4. I haven't used this in a while. I like this concealer, however, I don't like the applicator. Like, I don't like this round tip. I'm gonna go in and just blend that out. Now, this is also more of a medium coverage, so if I feel like I need more coverage, I'll go in and add just like a little bit more. However, I think this is good. I don't think I need to add any more. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Kind of wanna add more, but I'm not gonna add more. So for contouring, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Walnut. And I'm just going to go in and buff this out. So to set my highlighted areas, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop. This is my No Filter Press Powder, and this is in the shade Medium Dark. As you can see, I use this quite often. I know I always show my Studio Fix powder, but I actually do really use this one quite often. And the difference between this and the Studio Fix powder, the Studio Fix powder is more coverage because that is actual foundation, where this is just like a sheer press powder that doesn't really add coverage to the skin. It's more of like a setting powder. So for bronzing, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics Biana Bronze Bronzing Powder. And it looks like this. I know you guys are probably like, why is that so light? But this powder actually shows up. Like, it's not like it's gonna be like bam, like contour, but it actually shows up as like a nice light bronzer. And to deepen that, I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX face palette and taking this contour shade right here. You only wanna use like a little bit of this because this is like super pigmented, and this can get really dark really fast. So next we're just gonna do a little baking with the Fenty loose powder, and this is in the shade Banana. I have the biggest headache. I don't know why I feel the need to tie my scarf so tight. I'm gonna go in with my Teddy Eye Kohl just to keep it nice and brown and warm, and then I'm gonna go in with this darker shade right here and just press that along the bottom lash line. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and smudge it out. I'm gonna pop on my lashes really quick. I'll be right back. So for lashes, I just went in with my Ella lashes. These are by Lily Lashes, and these are actually my favorite lashes. I just love the way that they give volume to a look, but you can still see my eyeshadow. It's like the perfect lash to me. So for blush, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Cosmetics For Sure Extra Dimension Blush. Looks like that. It's almost gone. Got a little bit of it left. And I'm just gonna pop that right onto the cheeks and blend it in with my contour. And then for highlighter, as usual, I'm gonna go in with 2. I'm going to first use my Melt Cosmetics Nova highlighter, which is a really pretty like bronzy golden highlighter. Well, it's more bronzy than golden. And then the second highlighter is my Artist Contour Honey Drip highlighter. And I'm gonna just pop that right over top. And then I like to go back in with my blush and go back over the highlighter a little bit, just so it blends nicely. And then finally, I'm just gonna set with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm sure you've seen it before, but it looks like this. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna go in with Cork Lip Pencil. Next, I'm gonna go in with Peach Stock Lipstick. This is a satin lipstick by MAC, like a satiny nude. Don't be alarmed by how bright this is, it's okay. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Chestnut Lip Pencil around the edges just to blend it out. So next I'm gonna pop a little bit of gloss in the middle, and I'm gonna use obviously Bare by MAC. Just pop a little bit in the center and then press it out. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, let me know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. Mike and I are hosting Thanksgiving for our 3rd year in a row, which my mom is so excited about because she usually hosts Thanksgiving. And now she's like, okay, fine, yes, you guys can host it. That is fine with me. Less work for me to do. So I probably won't be as glam on Thanksgiving, but if this is your first Thanksgiving with someone, definitely show up and show out. And this look is perfect. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.